Look at that baby. Look at that baby. Look at your baby. So hey guys, welcome to Appalachia's Homestead. Patara with you. I'm just gonna set you right in the windowsill. We ain't even getting out the doodad to put the phone or the camera on. We're just gonna set you in the windowsill, honey. Let you get some vitamin D. Now, here's the deal. This is a very quick video, very simple tip video, but I've been asked to make it because some people are perplexed by the whole idea of freezing their eggs. That's okay. We all have to start somewhere. We all have to learn. There's a lot of different ways of preserving eggs. A lot of great tips out there. Do what works best for you. But if you're like most people right now, you are trying to do something very quick and easy. You don't have to go to the store and get a whole lot of nothing to do what you need to do. So we're going to handle our business. We're going to be TCB, and we're going to get those eggs in the freezer. Let's show you what we do. Now, some folks will recommend that you get a little handy dandy ice tray. You can see that I just washed mine out, okay? Now, you can do this, but my problem is a lot of times my eggs are too big. In other words, sometimes my yolk alone, depending on how my girl is feeling that day, the yolk alone, not including the white, can fill up most of the little tray area there, okay? There's different, more square, or maybe bigger ones or whatever. You do what works best for you, but I'm telling you that you can use these and have individual little eggs in each one, freeze them, pop them out. This is one of the best options that a lot of people use. I bypassed that. We ain't got no time for that, girl. Let me tell you what I think you should do. You need to think about how you bake. What do you bake with? You usually use 1 egg, 2 egg, 3 egg, maybe a 4 egg for your recipes. Now, if you want to have a big old scramble up, you do however many you want. But I recommend that you literally think about rationing out and segmenting out your baggies according to how many eggs do you need for most of your recipes. So like I said, I would go through however many eggs you've got that are extras or however many you're wanting to freeze and think about how you want to proportion that out for recipes. Most recipes that you run into that are baking are 2 to 3. So I would say I would do X amount of 2 in a bag, I would do X amount of 3 in a bag, X amount of 4 in a bag. Mark those baggies, and then we move forward. Make sure that anytime you're handling raw eggs, eggs that need to be washed, etc., wash your hands. Washing your hands is a very good thing. Okay, so I'm just going for the whole enchilada here to make the point. I'm going to crack 4 eggs into the bowl, which I've already done. I've got the eggshells. I've already got my baggie, my example baggie, marked date, how many eggs, and you need to put whether it's whole eggs or not, because some people just want to keep the whites. Some people may just want to keep the yolks. Mark it, because trust me, you won't remember. We're all getting older. So what I'm going to do is pour this, just like so, right into the bag. Once that's in there, then I'm going to flatten it out onto, I'm just going to use a paper plate, for example. I'll show you. I'm going to lay it flat. What I like to do is if I do several of these, I like to do it with, say, a baking sheet, and you just lay them flat, and then you're going to slide them into the freezer and let them freeze just like so. Okay guys, it's that simple. Put them in the freezer, lay them flat, let them do their thing, organize them a little bit later in separate categories, however you want to, and just keep them in the freezer. I would try to use them in a couple of months, 6 months. You'll use them up, just remember they're there, right? Just like anything else. And don't forget your eggshells. This is high quality calcium for your girls. Feed them back to your hens. What I like to do is bake them slightly and then grind them up. Or if push comes to shove, honey, go toss this in your garden because spring is here. And there goes the mower. Hey, it's a real deal all the time. We appreciate you watching. Y'all be safe, be calm, be healthy. We'll see you on the next video.